Have you ever wondered how the human brain, a small organ encased in our skull, is capable of such extraordinary feats? This 3-pound wonder, a mass of pinkish-gray tissue, is the command center of our body, the powerhouse of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Our brain, much like the most advanced supercomputer, has an intricate network of connections known as the central nervous system. This system carries messages to and from the brain, allowing us to interact with the world around us. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel, every action we take originates from this complex network. Consider for a moment the sheer complexity of the brain. It contains approximately 100 billion neurons, each connected to up to 10,000 other neurons. These connections, also known as synapses, allow signals to travel at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. This is faster than a Formula One race car. The human brain is divided into several distinct regions, each with its own specific function. The frontal lobes, for example, are responsible for decision-making and problem-solving, while the occipital lobes process visual information. The temporal lobes handle auditory processing, and the parietal lobes are responsible for sensory information. Now let's delve into the depths of the brain, to the limbic system. This is where our emotions and memories reside. The limbic system includes structures such as the amygdala, which plays a key role in our emotional responses, and the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory formation. Even more fascinating is the brain's plasticity, its ability to change and adapt. Contrary to what was once believed, the brain doesn't stop developing when we reach adulthood. It continues to form new connections and strengthen existing ones throughout our lives, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This is why we can learn new skills and acquire new knowledge at any age. The brain also has an incredible ability to heal itself. Following an injury, the brain can rewire its connections, reroute its pathways, and even create new cells, a process known as neurogenesis. This is why, with the right rehabilitation, individuals who have suffered brain injuries can often regain abilities they lost. In the end, the human brain is nothing short of miraculous. Its complexity and adaptability, its ability to process vast amounts of information, to generate thoughts and emotions, to learn and remember, to heal and adapt, are all testament to its extraordinary capabilities. To summarize, the human brain, our body's command center, is a marvel of nature. It is a complex network of neurons that allows us to think, feel, and interact with the world. It is an organ of unparalleled complexity, capable of changing and adapting, of learning and remembering, of healing and regenerating. It is, in short, the essence of who we are. So the next time you pause to think, remember that behind every thought, every emotion, every action is this 3-pound wonder, the human brain, working tirelessly